Hello, I'm Katrina Kessler, Commissioner of the Minnesota Pollution Control Agency. Minnesota families have been dealing with negative impacts from PFAS for nearly 20 years. Like other states, the more we find, the more we learn how pervasive these forever chemicals can be. They readily move from air sources to land, to groundwater, to surface water, to animals and plants and humans. PFAS contamination is not linked to only one company or one community. It is everywhere. We have identified nearly 60 closed landfills in 41 counties across Minnesota, near farms, small towns, and large cities alike, where PFAS is contaminating groundwater beyond our state's health guidance values. We recently added PFAS-contaminated waters, including the St. Croix and Mississippi rivers, to the federal impaired waters list. This includes waters we know are contaminated by firefighting foam or other sources, as well as lakes and streams where we don't know the source and need more information. That's why the MPCA developed Minnesota's PFAS Blueprint in partnership with other state agencies in early 2021 as our first step to comprehensively address PFAS across the state. The blueprint includes 10 priority areas centered on additional research, new health guidance, drinking water and food protections, as well as additional tools for cleanup and prevention. The blueprint also includes immediate, short, and long-term strategies that state agencies, the Minnesota legislature, industries, and local governments should consider to prevent, manage, and clean up PFAS contamination. One of those strategies underway is the development and implementation of a statewide PFAS monitoring plan. This plan highlights the urgency to elevate understanding and work needed to address PFAS in our industrial facilities, airports, wastewater, and open landfills. But no one state can do this alone. Collaboration between states and the federal government is essential to addressing PFAS. Learning from others and building off successes, like we have done with our neighbors in Michigan and Wisconsin, helps us all do better. Add to that EPA's accelerated PFAS work and funding, and the stage is set to tackle PFAS on all fronts to protect human health and the environment.